Welcome to a storybook escape. Nestled in the breathtaking countryside of New York, this one-of-a-kind cottage is something straight out of a fairy tale. Set on a sprawling 53 acres, it blends the enchantment of the 13th century, the elegance of Georgian design, and the charm of the French countryside. If you've ever dreamed of living in a world like Tolkien's Middle-earth, this is your chance to make that dream come true. From the moment you arrive, you're welcomed by a thatched-roof cottage unlike anything you've seen. The architecture is rich in craftsmanship, each detail lovingly hand-carved and thoughtfully placed. You'll find hand-blown glass windows that sparkle in the sunlight, graceful chandeliers that illuminate every corner with a soft glow, and antique finishes that tell stories of the past. As you enter, your eyes are immediately drawn to the handcrafted woodwork. It's not just beautiful, it's art. The details carry through the entire home, from the London octagonal doorknob to the arches and trim, giving every room a timeless romantic feel. You'll find touches inspired by Hameau de la Reine, the fairy village built for Marie Antoinette, in everything from the chimney shape to the window frames. Walk through to the balcony and be greeted by a view of lush gardens and towering redwood trees. There are Shropshire Lad roses blooming in soft yellow, and it feels like stepping into a secret garden. This is not just a home, it's a world of its own, one where nature and imagination live together in perfect harmony. The charm doesn't stop at the main home. Even the detached garage feels magical. With matching chandeliers and architecture that mirrors the cottage, it feels more like a guest house in a fairy tale village than just a place to park your car. The whole estate feels united, curated, and rich with personality. Outside, the 53 acres invite you to explore and dream. Whether you envision a walk through the woods, a private garden retreat, or a place to raise animals, farm, or simply breathe, there's room for all of it. The land offers endless possibilities. Build a greenhouse, set up a writer's cabin, create a meditation path, or just let nature be your sanctuary. This is more than just a property, it's a feeling. It's an escape from the modern world into a life of beauty, peace, and wonder. You'll wake up to the sounds of birds in the trees, sip tea under a trellis of climbing vines, and feel the history and magic in every corner of this estate. Whether you're a writer, an artist, a dreamer, or someone looking for a place to truly call your own, this is it. A home where every day feels like a chapter from a book, where nature and imagination create a life worth telling stories about. Don't miss this fairy tale opportunity. Homes